Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. That morning in Pergola Nurseries, we're out planting some Helleborus and they're fantastic. They flower late winter and early spring, and we're introducing a gorgeous variety here. It'll stand out from the crowd. Some of the other colours here have been a little bit wishy-washy, but this one is fantastic. It's a variety called Anna's Red. So Frost Kiss Anna's Red. Look at that. Isn't it just only stunning? It stands up very well over the foliage and a very unusual leaf as well. It's hard, almost holly-like leaf. Flowers in winter and spring when you've nothing else, and of course totally winter hardy. So Frost Kiss Anna's Red. We took out a decent sized planting. We're putting some super tri planting fertilizer at the bottom. That's a very important planting fertilizer. It's slowly released for your plants and reduces transplant shock and gets the plants off to a good start. We're going to add some Swellwell compost as well, and that's got slow release fertilizer over 12 months. Lots of goodies in here going in for Helleborus Frost Kiss Anna's Red. We want it here for years and years to come. And then we need some Swellwell compost to mix with the soil as well, back in around. So lots and lots of goodies here. £1 for the planting and a penny for the plant. So put more effort into planting and your plants will do well. If you do just a small planting, wholesale planting, a plant in a jam jar, it can't run its roots out properly. Now the roots are quite packed in here. We have to break the pot to get this fellow out. And you can see how tight the roots are. You get them teasing out, make sure they run their roots properly out into the soil, otherwise we'll be just running in a circle here and it'll choke itself. So in it goes. We're just planting it the same depth as the surrounding soil, and you can see we've lots of room here for the roots to develop around the plant. So in it goes, well worth planting. Some of the varieties of Helleborus in the web shop this year are fantastic. Some great colours. Have a look. They're winter hardy. They flower for months, winter and spring, when you have very little other colour in your garden. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? That's Frost Kiss Anna's Red. Well worth finding a spot for this one. Really prolific, and you're going to get lots and lots of colour. And remember, it's in your garden for forever and a day. It'll be here for years and years to come. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.